I have been waiting the day for these to arrive. I finally got Series 2 of the Ewok Cosby plush, and I have all of them lined up there, and I have one here, I have one on my bag, so I'm super excited for more additions to my Ewok army. Oh my gosh, I don't want to rip it. I'm so freaking excited. Alright, we've got the whole shebang. I'm so excited. Alright, I'm gonna go with this one first. So, this is what they look like. Oh my freaking goodness. And so you can get these and these. And they're just so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Oh! Okay. Let's do it. I can't really do them clean. They all just get hecked up. Alright. Okay. No freaking way. He's got a little bean hat. He's just a little bean guy. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at that. They're like all super fuzzy. And he's got like a little dress and a skirt. Oh, no freaking way. The faces feel so different compared to the Series 1. It feels like... it feels soft. So we've got Kink. Oh my gosh, he's so freaking cute. Look at his little beans. His little beans. All right, we'll go back here. Should I just say screw it, rip it open? Oh, that was easier. All right. Oh my gosh, they literally feel so freaking soft. It's insane. Their little faces are like they're so soft. Oh my gosh, he's got a little bow and arrow. And their eyes are crazy. Look at the difference between their eyes. It's like glossy. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I'm in love with them. Okay. I save the little cards. Now I'm gonna go, I'll go for this one. I'm so excited to open this one. Robin? Robin is cute! Ah! Oh my gosh, she's got a little spear and a cute little face. They really upgraded like how they're made. Like they're way softer and way like their faces are done so good and their eyes are crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go for the corner. Okay, I'm gonna try not to look at the... Okay. Oh, I saw this one, and this is the one that like made me fall in love with it. Because look at how uniquely designed he is. And they're so soft, and like the details is insane. Like the little... Oh my freaking goodness. What's his name? Tebow! Their eyes. I'm like in shock. They're so cute. This is insane. They definitely upgraded these for sure. Here, I'm gonna go this route. I just can't believe I have more Ewoks. We've got... No, oh, I can't even pronounce this one. Oh my gosh, the color. The purple nose. Oh my gosh. His little pitchfork. Oh my gosh. And they're so soft. They smell so fresh. Pop Blue. Pop Blue. They're so cute. They did such a good job. His spear is broken though, but that's okay. I love their like choices and design. Oh, we have our 10,000th Wicket. He has arrived. I think this is like a really good... Oh my gosh, his little bag. His bags. His eyes. Oh my gosh. This is like a really good comparison, I think. This is a really good comparison of the two, of them being different. Very good comparison. Like this one's so much more fuzzy and softer, and this one's harder. Oh my gosh. They're so freaking cute. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I love that he's just a little yellow guy. His little thing. He's so cute. They're so fuzzy. The details on them are insane. Insane. Crazy. Alright, so this is what we're working with, and this is crazy. Look how freaking cute they are. I'm obsessed with them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. I have 8 little guys, okay? I have 8 little guys. I have 8 more little guys. Oh my gosh, they're gonna fit so well along this wall here. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at them in all their beauty. Well, I spent money that I didn't have, but totally worth it in my opinion, because I am the ultimate #1 Ewok lover for sure. So these are gonna live happily on my purses and bags and my wall. So hope you liked it as much as I did.